everyone. My name is Paul Spencer, student ID 573-5214. I'm coming to you today from Las Vegas, Nevada. The date is 19th July 2020. I am prior service Navy, was a gunner's mate. I was medically discharged in '05 from knee problems. I have a wife and 4 children, 2 of which are autistic. My wife is a nurse, and this class is Physics 133, and we're going to be going over Lab 1, which is going to break down 2D kinematics and projectile motion. I have a talking point paper here because I don't articulate very well, and helps keep me on track. Let's go over here and show the setup that we have over here. So here's our ramp. It was measured at a 45-degree angle for the ramp. We took our little pendulum here with the fishing weight, and we hung it off the side here, and you can see the little tape here that says in the lab to put the tape down in order to gauge our distance. So from the first point, which is, you can barely see it, it's about up right there somewhere. The first point is all the way to straight down to this. First point to this is going to be 0.93 meters. The second point, about there, see if you can see it a little better there, is going to be 0.86 meters, and the third point here, 0.83 meters. We have the 45-degree angle on the ramp. We have the paper down here, and the carbon paper, black side down, face down, right there. I'll need to tape it. Got a little wind there from the fan. Bear with me. Let's see here. So we're going to be measuring distance, which of these marbles, and then calculating the range and velocity. Let's see if I can get a little piece there just to hold it down for a second there. And the range of the velocity off of that, and let's get started here. It was a pretty easy setup to set up the lab. The lab was a walkthrough. It was really easy. Some cardboard stuck together. The protractor measuring the 45-degree angle I have for the ramp, and from there we can calculate the velocity. Final velocity is equal to the square root of 2 times gravity times distance times sine, and then 45 degrees, which is my angle of the ramp, meters squared. Then we can calculate the horizontal speed, which is velocity, horizontal velocity times the square root of 2 times the height divided by gravity. This would be a fun little project, measuring the distance. So the way I measured the distance is from the dot to the edge of the table, straight down. And I suspect, since the paper's off the edge there, when we measure for the marbles, we'll measure straight down, and from straight down that tape line to where the marble touched. Didn't go into detail on the labs on exactly how to measure it, but as long as we measure them all the same way, we'll have accurate measurements. And think that's it. Thanks for watching.